If you've wondered what a flower essence session looks like, well, this is it. You and I having a conversation across the kitchen table. And you'll notice that I don't have anything fancy, there's no performance, and in fact, my speaking style during the session sometimes gets pretty expressive with hand gestures, or I'm sort of looking, kind of mentally gathering information together. So it's very easygoing. The first half is our conversation where you're telling me what your concerns are, and then I'm trying to get a little bit better understanding or more well-rounded idea of that. So I'll ask questions or give examples or share sort of short stories as comparison. And you tell me if that resonates or doesn't resonate, and it helps me get a better idea because, of course, people have an infinite number of different experiences. And there are also a lot of essences to choose from that deal with different perspectives as well. We together kind of come up with a core idea that you want to work on. And for about 15 minutes, I turn off the audio and video for the Zoom. And in the next room there, I have a big table where my essences are set out. And I use a method that I describe as informed intuition. Sometimes intellectually I know an essence well and will think of that from what you've discussed. But often I will sometimes just really notice a certain essence and pull that out of the box. And I use a pendulum quite a lot to help me focus in and more quickly pull together a formula of, anywhere from 4 to 7 essences usually. Then I come back on with you and spend about 15 minutes showing you with a screen share some images and discussing some of the descriptions of the individual essences that are going to come together in this formula. And that information I do give to you in a printout as well, so that you have a reference while you're taking the essences for the 4 to 6 weeks that you're working with them. So I hope this demystifies things a little bit and makes you feel a little bit more at ease and with the idea of making an appointment. But if you have questions, reach out, and I look forward to working with you. Bye now. Just wanted to give you a quick view of my essences. These are my Alaskan essences, which are the primary ones that I'm using right now. And there's my pendulum that I use, just so you can see what that looks like.